Hey guys, welcome back to another hair tutorial. So in this video I'll be sharing some of the tips I use to do my cornrows. I'll just be like popping them up like I did on the previous video. So enjoy the video, and if you have any questions regarding cornrows, because in this video I only discuss cornrows, as I already have a video on how to do braids. Because for this specific hairstyle, the client requested that we do cornrows in front and we do braids at the back. So I already have a video where I talk about braids and everything. So if you want to know how I do my braids, I'll just suggest the video up there, because you asked box braids at the back, then cornrows in front. And yes, I was doing the client with one of my friends, Petra, so she helped me out. So just to explain why it's like two people doing the hair, it's just me and my friend, because the client requested that we finish her early because she has somewhere to go, because it was her birthday. So yes guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. But then if you have any questions, just let me know so that I can address them. So what I normally do is I make sure that my lines are straight with every hairstyle I do. As you might have seen with the box braids video, I make sure that my lines are straight. Then on this one, I make sure my lines are straight. Then I take a bit of hair in front, then I wrap the fiber around it. As you can see, you wrap the fiber until to a point where you see that it's tight, but not like too tight so that it hurts the client. You don't want to make it too tight, but just tight enough to hold, like it mustn't be too tight for the client. So then I come with another fiber, I twist it like that, wrap it around, then I get another piece of fiber, then I just continue like that. It's the same pattern over and over and over. So once you can see it, you just repeat the same thing over and over. So you take that hair, wrap it around, take it over to the other side. I'm not sure if you guys can see what I'm doing, but I think I was slow enough. So it continues like that. You just take it to the other side, rotate, then more fiber. So what I also do is I make sure that the sizes of my thingy of my fiber are different. So you'll see when I go down the thingy, the row, the fiber gets more, like it's not as little as I took in the beginning of the row. So yeah, so guys, yes, we continue like that. So I don't think I'll be repeating for every row. You'll just be observing. I think the main thing is just to see the pattern, like how you twist it over and everything. So yeah, then here I was just doing the braid, but obviously we're not gonna cover that here. So hopefully this angle shows you better, because I tried a different angle, hoping because I saw like with the other one my hand was kind of in the way. So same thing, and there are like I think 3 different ways that I know to how to start like cornrows. So if this one doesn't work for you, just let me know so that I can use maybe a different method on the next client that I'll be doing. So this one is just it's more quicker and it gets the job done. So yeah, we're just gonna continue like that. Okay, so I was out of frame on the other one, so I tried this angle. Hopefully it works and you guys can see and my hands are not on the way. So we continue like that. You take a bit of hair as you saw on the other one, because here because here the angle is obviously not as great for the first part of the row. So you continue like that. Then yeah, hopefully here you can see you take the hair, twist it over the other side, then you take the one that's down over to the other side, then you continue like that. So yes guys, I hope you enjoy this video. So yeah, I didn't film the whole thing as the video was gonna be too long unnecessarily, because I'm not gonna include the box braids, but I'll show you guys the final product at the end of the video. So stay tuned to see the client rocking the hairstyle and doing the things.